Let me ask you something. What if I told you that the time you spend scrolling aimlessly through your phone or binge watching videos can be transformed into a steady stream of income? Imagine those idle moments, turning it into something that not only fills your wallet but sets you up for financial freedom. Sounds incredible, right? Well, buckle up because today we're about to embark on an exciting journey into an unexplored territory. I'm revealing a simple, free, and potentially life-changing method that can help you earn as much as $6,000 a month or $200 per day. Yes, you heard that correctly. $6,000 a month using a tool that you already know. And the best part, you don't need a fancy degree, no technical skills, and no need to quit your daily job. This method is so flexible that you can do it from any part of the world. Whether you are chilling at home, sitting in a cafe, or traveling abroad. Now, before you roll your eyes and be like, this is too good to be true, let me assure you something. It is absolutely possible. And I'm going to walk you through every step of the process. Please know that this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate opportunity that leverages the power of Google News, a platform that updates in real time with trendy topics from across the globe. In this video, I'll guide you through how to find the right topics, spin them into fresh content, and monetize them on platforms that pay real money. Some even pay up to $500 per article. I'll also address every ethical questions you might have, so you can start dropping them in the comment section once we are done with this video. And that's not all. I'm ready to share you some insider tips and show you exactly how to maximize your earning without spending a dime upfront. So grab a pen and a paper because we're about to uncover the secret to turning your free time into a literal gold mine. And to my loyal subscribers and adventurous money makers, thank you for your support these past few years. You are the reason I'm able to keep bringing these opportunities week after week. So if you are new here, don't forget to hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on my next blockbuster. All I do here is to just help you discover opportunities where others miss them. And guess what? I'm loving it. Without wasting much of your time, come on, let's jump straight into it. The first thing you will do right now is to head to Google search, type Google News in the search tab, and hit enter. This will bring you to the Google News platform, a constantly updated hub for both local and international news. Here is what you will do next. Select topics that are popular, trending, or grab your attention. These topics can range from technology, business, sport, entertainment, science, or health, as seen in the menu bar. For this video, we are going to focus on business and health topics, and I'll show you exactly how to monetize them later on. So stick around, you'll be needing it. Let's dive into the business category. Just scrolling through, and here's something attention grabbing. How a 24-year-old saved enough money to buy $250,000 house by living in a tiny home her parents built in their backyard. Interesting, isn't it? Now let's pick a health topic. This one caught my eye. Red meat and cheese are unlikely to lower life expectancy, according to a new study. Intriguing, right? After selecting your article, it's time for the next step. Head over to Spinboat. The link is right in the description below. Spinboat is a free automatic article spinner or text rewriting tool. It's ideal for paraphrasing, enabling you to avoid plagiarism. According to their website, Spinboat is grammatically accurate and offers a fresh take on stale content with millions of users globally. Having used it, I can testify to its effectiveness. It's an absolute game changer. Now here is what you will do. Copy the articles you selected from Google News and paste them into Spinboat. Click the spin button and let it work its magic. Spinboat will transform the content, creating a unique version while retaining its original essence. Review the spun articles carefully, tweak it if necessary, and remove unnecessary content or ads. Personalize it to perfection before moving to the next step. Now, some of you might be wondering, isn't this just like copying content? Now, allow me to clarify something, alright? What we are doing right now is not much different from how businesses and media outlets operate. I want you to think about it. Did Temu steal AliExpress business model? Debatable, right? What they did is to just take proven concepts and put their spin on it. Similarly, major news platforms like BBC, CNN, and Al Jazeera often repurpose stories from other outlets. The key here is to just make it uniquely yours. Now with your freshly spun article, it's time to start earning. I'll be sharing all the platforms you can share your articles to make significant money. I'm not talking about about peanuts. Some platforms will pay you anywhere from $50 to $500 per article. So we have Dash, which pays between $100 to $500 per article on health, home improvement, and related topics. Secondly is the Penny Holder, and they offer $75 to $100 per article about personal finance, budgeting, and savings. Third on the list is the Traveling Writer, which pays $50 to $200 for articles on travel guides and tips. Moving on, we have Women on Writing, also known as WOW. They offers $50 to $100 for articles about freelancing, entrepreneurship, and education. Up next is International Living, a platform that pays $75 to $400 for articles on travel, retirement, and budget living. Last but not the least is none other than A-List Apart, which provides $200 to $300 for articles on web design and coding. These are just tip of the iceberg. More platforms like Strong Whispers, Listverse, and Crack.com also accept submissions. Additional options include the Dollar Stretcher, Writers Weekly, Photoshop Tutorials, Income Diary, and the Sun Magazine. Please note that each of these platforms have their own acceptable niche. For instance, the Photoshop tutorial must be an article on topics related to Photoshop tips and tricks. To earn $300 daily, you may only need to post 1 to 3 articles, depending on the platform and rates. Posting an article every hour is possible, but let's keep it realistic and manageable. Focus on creating high-quality, personalized content. You'll find the full list of platforms and clickable links right in my WhatsApp and Telegram channel. If you are not yet a member of my community of adventurous money makers, then you are missing a lot of perks and freebies. Click the link in the description right now to join. There's one other platform that pays you for each time people read your article. If you are curious to know more about this, click the video that just appeared next to me to check it out. Whatever you do, never stop making money.